Love is something you give it away. You give it away. You give it away. Love is something that you give it away, and it comes right back to you. It's just like a magic penny. You put it in your pocket and you don't have any. But if you spend it or give it away, it comes right back to you.
Hey, come and check us out. We're introducing I-Shadaye. Wanna know what she's about? Hey, like, share, subscribe, and tell her if you like her vibe.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of I-Shadaye. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for coming. And if you are returning to the channel, thank you so much for the support. We definitely love that. So today, guys, I will be trying the knotless braids on I-Shadaye's hair for the very first time. I've never done the knotless braids before, so I'm just trying a thing. I'm just trying something. And I hope you guys like it, because I think it turned out pretty nice for my first time anyways. Now, as you see, we are going through the regular hair maintenance, because you still have to keep the hair healthy. So we start off with the aloe vera. Now I'm just doing my regular threading, which the threading, of course, as you know, it does stretch the hair, which is what I wanted for the knotless braids. I've never used any heat on her hair, and I didn't want to start now, so I just did the threading to kind of stretch the hair to make it a little, easier to manage.
The next day.
So I'm just going in now with my Shine and Jam. This is a new jam that I found. It's a new rave on Instagram, and I said, okay, let me try it. I'm just using a bit there on the comb to make the parts. What I'm doing now is just making the parts to do the braids. Listen, girl, the child wasn't having any of it, so I had to cut all that out. So this is where I parted her hair, and this is the braids that I'm using. So guys, I'm using the Afro texture hair. I know generally with knotless braids you use the synthetic, like Knotless braids, but because I didn't want to straighten her hair out with a blow dryer, I just said, okay, let me just pick a hair that's closer to her texture. So that's what I'm doing. So I just separate it, and I did mine in 5 sections, because with knotless braids you have to keep adding the hair on and adding it on. So yeah, I just separated it, and I'm just doing the application now. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. This is me doing the installation of the braid. It, once you start doing it, it got pretty easy after that. So let's see how I do, guys. Let's see how I do.
Put the work in. Hey, put the work in. Put the work in. Yeah. Told baby girl, hey girl, she gotta do it with a purpose. Had me down about the mirror, man. I heard that she a virgin. Sheesh. And I've been in the gym all week. Heavy bars, that's how I'ma drop the gyms y'all need. I've been working on this body for the beach all winter. Yoga and Pilates, watch me keep my figure. Snap back like Beyonce, kill the beats like Jigga. Share the vision, but not everybody see my picture. Like the circle got smaller, but the dream got bigger. All those things that you said you didn't mean, I get it. Oh, you really wanna come back to the team? I'm listening. But life's different, and I'm richer. Made for this since birth. Yes, I know my worth. Go hard, put in the work, cause I come first, and I ain't even need your help. I put the work in. Put the work in. Put the work in. You gotta do it for yourself. Put the work in. I heard you looking for results. Put the work in. Yeah, you gon' have to put the work in. Immaculate flows, one verse verse and murder half of your bros. 16 bars, only need half of that for these. Built to the real Cause half the rappers you know, man, you gon' need exorcisms. I'm attacking they soul. Whoa, turn the studio into the Conjuring. Vocal cords will hit you with hard waves like a tsunami hit. Play the game, you say my name, you roll the dice and watch the jungle come alive. Soon as you make a move on some Jumanji shit. Wow. Everybody ain't built if I blow up it's Hiroshima. Everybody get killed, man. I'm detonating the Cold War. I'm making sure everybody get chills. Made for this since birth. Yes, I know my worth. Go hard, put in the work. Cause I come first. And I ain't even need your help. I put the work in. Better go off quick. Put the work in the zone, don't quit. Put the work in like you own that ish. You gotta do it for yourself. Put the work in. I heard you looking for results. Put the work in. Yeah, you gon' have to put the work in. Put the work in. Yes, ma'am. Put the work in. Yes, ma'am. We gon' put it in. Put the work in. Yes, ma'am. Every day. Every day, man. Every day. Put the work in. Get out the way, man. Every day. Put the work in. What they gon' say, man? Every day. Put the work in. Yes, ma'am. Every day. And I ain't even need your help. I put the work in. You better go off quick. You better go off quick. Put the work in. You in the zone, don't quit. You in the zone, don't quit. Put the work in like you own that ish. You gotta do it for yourself. Put the work in. You better go off quick. You better go off quick. You in the zone, don't quit. Put the work in like you own that ish. You gon' have to put the work in. Every day.
Oh my God! Wow!
Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. We definitely appreciate all the support that we're getting, and we look forward to making content for you guys every time. So let us know in the comments if you like the video. Go ahead and like the video, as well as subscribe to the channel, and keep it locked to Hey Shadaye. Peace.